It's 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and this is the first time that I'm recording a vlog for my own YouTube channel, which I wanted to start from very, very long. Bye, Scoop. Check-in done.
Check-in done.
Security done.
Finally.
So we reached Dehradun, and from there we took a cab, and now we are in Haridwar, which is so beautiful, and the fact that we have direct access to Ganga as soon as we step out of the room is just beautiful. So I will be taking you along with me. So this is our room, which is cute. Then that's my mom and that's how the outside looks. Cute, aesthetic. And going towards, so this is right where the Ganga is. How beautiful is that? And I have never ever been this close to the Ganga in my entire life. I'm so happy to be here. I've never been to a place like this. Never ever in my life. And look at that! Oh my god! Hi bro. Oh freak. I just did not notice him. I was just going to walk more closer to him. He's eating something. I just hope he does not grab my phone, so I'm just going to leave. But yeah, look at that. There are so many. Here's another one. Hello. I just hope I have not trespassed into their area or something. But how crazy is this? Very beautiful. So happy to be here. Hi Mama. How does it feel to be out and about under the trees?
I think it's much better than having something in
An AC restaurant. Oh, jinx!
but it's too authentic. I mean,
Look at it, so pretty.
Right?
Darshan done?
Darshan done. It was very crowded, but भोग का प्रसाद मिल गया.
So basically, we went to a mandir, Sri Mansa Devi temple. Yes, Sri Mansa Devi temple, and for that we had to go through a ropeway.
Yeah.
Which was the highlight. How was your experience?
It was good.
Something different, no?
Yeah, something very different. I think the ropeway.
Yeah, the ropeway adds value. It was very crowded though.
Chaotic also.
But luckily we didn't have to stand in any lines.
Yeah.
So that was a plus. That
I mean, the line was there. It just kept moving on.
yeah, like even if there was a line, it was moving quickly. So that helped to keep the spirits up. Welcome to the second day of this vlog. I don't know if I vlogged enough yesterday or not, but basically we just like went to a temple, went to the market. There's a bridge called Hari Ki Podi, which is there's another temple there. So we just mostly visited all the major tourist places and just looked around. The main part of Haridwar. And anyway, we are not going to spend a lot of time in Haridwar. It was just like a stop. Today is the main trip. We are going to Jim Corbett, which was the main objective of this trip of us coming here. So basically my sister Abha, she is studying wildlife, like she wants to study wildlife, so it's a big deal for her. So we are all excited. So let's see how it turns out. We're hoping to see a lot of tigers and other animals as well. So like actually cats don't look good on me, but I just can't resist the sun right now, and I just can't afford my skin getting worse. So we got to do what we got to do, and yeah, we're just leaving now for Jim Corbett. It's a 3-hour long drive apparently from here, and then we will change, and we have 4 safaris lined up for today and for tomorrow. So yeah, I'll try and take you all around as much as I can, but that is basically how the trip is. Till now it's been amazing. It's been more of like a just spending time with family, talking about things that matter to us, but now it's going to be more about exploring and having a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm excited. These chole bhatures are just the best I have ever eaten, and I'm not even exaggerating at this point. They are just truly very, very, very delicious. A 10 on 10. We have reached Jim Corbett!
Finally.
There is a forest.
There's a small village where the resort is located.
Forest.
It's a very and the forest is on all 4 sides
All
of
4
the.
sides.
Yes. Excited?
So much. I really hope.
I know how excited.
I've been praying every day that we get to see a tiger. Sorry. I've been praying every day that we get to see a tiger, or at the very least a brown bear, or like I'll do with anything actually. I don't really, but I want something.
Let's hope we get to see the
It's
best
very hot actually.
here. Hopefully. But it's very hot. Yes. Let's see. Hello.
Hi.
So now we are actually on the main part of the trip.
Yeah.
We've reached the main stage of the trip.
We are going to the safari.
Yes, and let's see.
We're going to Gate Bijrani.
Yeah, so we have
Which
4
is-
safaris lined up. One is
Yeah.
today, one is tomorrow morning, and then One in
Tomorrow
tomorrow
evening.
afternoon,
Yeah.
evening, and then day after.
Oh, huh. And 2 of the safaris are doing for Gate Bijrani, then one for Jirna and one for
I don't know.
Yeah,
Mami,
शेवटचा gate से
last
नाका.
gate कुठला आहे?
Last gate कुठला आहे?
आपला लास्ट गेट
Fanto.
Fanto.
And yeah.
So yeah,
Well, Gate Bijrani is supposed to be the highest frequency of tiger sightings.
yes, and that's why we're going to go there twice.
Twice, but we'll see.
Yeah, it's a beautiful location though where we are staying. So
Oh.
I wish I could. Actually, I'll show you. These are the birds that we were looking at, and we were saying, "Whoa!" So it's like around the resort. There's so much greenery. It's absolutely beautiful. Here, my sister is trying to capture them in a camera. This is how crazy we are going after like birds. What will happen if like we spot an actual tiger? Are you both excited?
Yes, very much. All are very much excited. We're waiting to see tiger and hoping to see soon. So let's rock. Let's see.
Let's rock. We are off for the safari. Going to see tigers. We are very much excited. She's still happy.
Cross for the peacock.
I don't want to see peacocks.
I like peacocks.
I want to see tiger.
They're the it girls of
Hmm?
peacocks are the it girls of birds.
Yeah, but I've seen them. Like I've seen enough. I've seen a tiger. And it was, I would say it was good. It was a great experience.
It was. We saw so many deers. It felt like I wanted to go
Yeah.
and hug them. It was so cute.
But we
They were
didn't
very
see a
cute.
tiger. So that's,
There are 3 more safaris.
Yeah, we have 3 more
We'll be sure
safaris.
to see a tiger then. So
yeah. But for now, we have come out for some swimming. And the best part is there's also IPL playing over here. So that's a bonus. And pool looks amazing. So, and it's like empty. So we are,
I think we're the only ones
and
on
I
this
think
so
I and
far
Abha
right
have
now.
that one connection that we are both mad about swimming.
yeah.
There are very less things we have in common
Very
in
less
general, but
things.
like swimming is one of them.
Yeah. Swimming is definitely one of them. I think.
Yeah, so now we're going to go into the water. So bye. Are we ready for day 2 of safari?
Absolutely.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Wanting
तुझा
to
कुठला
really
मंत्र आहे मामी?
मामी तुझा मंत्र म्हण. माझा नाही मामाचा.
हा, माझा.
काही करम.
काहीही करम पण वाघम दिसम. आजचम
आत्ताच. Green, yellow combination.
Did you see a tiger?
I did.
Oh, sorry, you saw a tigress.
Yes, we saw a tigress. We saw the biggest tigress in the Jirna zone, and she was beautiful.
How did you feel after seeing
I
her?
cried.
Yeah.
I cried.
I have a clip of you crying.
And now
Yeah.
we're about to enter Fanto.
Safari number 3, day
Safari
2.
number 3, yes.
Hopefully, we'll see a tiger now.
Again.
Yeah. We just saw a tigress
We just saw a tiger.
drinking water. Mission successful.
Mission double successful because we saw a herd of elephants also.
Yeah.
was
Well,
big.
it was really.
Herd of elephants, lot of birds.
We were just speechless.
Yeah, absolutely.
The
Yeah, herd was about 10 elephants.
Yeah.
With 2 tuskers and 3 tuskers in them.
Yeah.
3 babies.
4.
So I think, yeah, 4 babies.
4 babies. That
was a lovely-
newborn one when it came bouncing
Yeah, that
along.
was a lovely.
They were literally playing in the
Yeah.
pond.
And we could also see the family bonding within them.
Yeah.
And of course the tiger. I mean,
So
that was
first, yeah, at first we saw the tigress. She was sleeping behind the trees, so we could not easily spot her.
Spot her.
We
So
saw that she was there.
Yeah, but then we were like we want to
But,
see more.
yeah.
And then we took a round, we came back, and then finally she was
She was
inside
just chilling
the
in the
pond.
lake.
Yeah,
She
in
She
the
was
lake.
just chilling there.
in such a way that she's not bothered of the rest of the world.
Yeah.
She just doesn't care.
Yeah, I mean, I'm the king. Who the hell are you, man?
Yes.
Come on. Take my pictures and go away.
It's a 10 on 10 experience. I think we were lucky to be right on time. If we would have been like even 5 or 10 minutes late,
5
she would have
Yeah,
she would have left
faster.
the lake. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So great. So
Sometimes
yesterday,
right place, right time, right animal,
Yes.
right attitude.
yeah.
Does matter. Be on
Absolutely.
time.
Because yesterday we did not spot any like tiger, so we were. But we still kept our hopes up. We were like, "Dekh milega, aaj dikhega." And today we saw like two of them multiple times. So, Mami, Mama, you guys have anything to say?
Yes, we had a great experience. Lots of fun, lots of excitement. We were really very much initially scared also, but then we enjoyed. It
Yeah.
was good fun.
So Mami couldn't actually see when at the beginning
First
when
time,
we could
at the
the first
beginning.
time when we spotted her behind the trees, she could not see her. So then she was really hoping that she will get a chance to see, and then she could.
Literally.
Yeah. Great.
Superb. Amazing
Superb.
experience.
Yeah. And the entire jeep
Really
experience,
Both are
like going
tigers,
through the forest. Yeah,
Both
both
are
are tigers.
tigresses. Yes, that's the main thing.
Women empowerment.
Women empowerment.
Women empowerment.
Great experience.
Whatever you say, but I think all in all, phenomenal experience.
Amazing.
Absolutely.
Nothing can beat this.
I think we'll come back like
Yeah.
a year or 2 years.
Sure. We're definitely coming.
If Abba gets a chance, she'll just stay here.
Yeah, I'm planning to.
Okay, that's it for now. See you soon. Bye.